Okay, so this is the video. This is the window. Damn thing's stuck down. You can pull it up a bit, but it won't go anywhere. I've started to pull it apart. Taking these out and starting to pull the bits off it. Next bit is getting this little catch here, and it's sitting in there, and you've got to gently get in under here and free that metal catch there so that you can get that open. Next thing is to take out these little clips. What they've got to do is they've got to they'll go in so they're open like that, and you put them in the hole, push that in and hold it in, but then you've got to push it all the way in, not all the way in, but a little ways in, which frees it up and lets you pull them out again. You keep them for later too. We've got to go back. There's two of them. Already popped these out, and there's some screws in there we've got to undo, and there's a couple of screws at the bottom. So to get these ones out, they've got to be fully unscrewed, and then you've got to get them out of there. So, yep, that's why we have magnetic ends on our screwdrivers. We've got to unscrew the two from the bottom. Then, with everything free, we can wriggle and get this up. Get the cover off. And with the cover lifted off, we can get it, the stuff underneath. And what we need to do that is in here. So we've got to take the plastic cover off, and then there's two screws that are held on by this. We're going to get it off here, and it's got to come off. And as it comes off, we're going to slide that over this somehow, or open it up or whatever, because I don't want to pull it. I don't want to pull it apart. But, yeah, more mucking around, and then we'll finally get down to what we've got to do. Do the windows. Get 10mm bolts out of that. Lift the window up and hold it up there with some tape. So then we've got to remove the wire to the motor which is this one. That's just a little clip unplugged, but to get that off there, I got in behind with a screwdriver and did that. And same with this one, it's in there. Not showing that. No, not same with this one. It's in that little tag there, strapped up. And then this one is in there. And just pinching the plastics with the screwdriver, pushing them in so they come out. So then there's 6 bolts, 3 on this frame and 3 on the motor, and 10 mil, and undo them, and then the whole thing will come out through here, and then we can look at changing the motor position. Okay, so I've got it out. This particular one here, because I've got the window hanging off the tape, it was a bit difficult to get that out, which is the top of the slider bar for it. I've got that out, and then I've removed the motor and the unit from here, and I've discovered something. When I pulled the unit out, everything was loose. This was all coming out and loose, and I noticed that there was no tension, and you would imagine there should be tension because of those. So what's happened is this is pulled out of wherever it goes in this. I don't know where that is just yet, but I intend to find out. So I put the motor back on the car, tested it, the motor's working fine, the mechanism works fine. It's just that piece that I showed has come out of here, and that's broken. That's why it's come out, because that piece there is broken. It's just pulled it straight out. There's the bottom one, that's in good shape, that's there. If we turn that over, you can see the wire comes up here, and this one, that's what's wrong with it. Okay, so I've got a new unit, and the brackets on it were broken, so I've marked where they go, there and there. I've put it in, bolts are done, but not up tight yet. The window's still up there, so there's a couple of hours and $100. Magic. Tested it, it works. I didn't film that, but that's good. Okay, so now the window's down and onto the base. The screws are in place on the new one. Next thing is to plug it in and test that it works. Okay, I just plugged it in and tested it, and yep, it works. So I can properly lock up the car again. That's good. There we go. Liner back on. Window in, fit it up, and we're just about to put the door liner on. The inside of the door, whatever the hell they call it. Good. Okay. There it is. All put together. Sitting in. Nearly finished. I'll figure out how these go in properly.
Oh, you come? Or you talking to yourself?
Yeah, I am. They go up that way.
Does it work, or you don't know?
Oh, that's it.
Good.
Yeah, it works. I tested it. So, all good. Excellent. Okay, all the trims back on. Normal car. And window works. How good's that? I don't even know if I showed that properly, but job done.